right, welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues here. We got Brendan DeCora here. He won the regional, then he won the state. Now he's going to the national competition.
Yeah,
Tell us about that.
So I went to the state competition at Wolcott Technical High School, competed in restaurant service.
Speak up just a little bit.
When we went there, competed in restaurant service.
You're in the culinary program at Grasso Tech?
So I go to Grasso Tech in the culinary program. So after I won states, you qualify and get sent to the national event for Skills USA in Louisville, Kentucky. And if I win there, I either get a free ride to the Culinary Institute of America or Johnson & Wales,
Wow.
which are my two top schools.
That's worth about 30 G's a year.
A lot.
More, 40.
A lot.
I'm a graduate of Johnson & Wales. I hope you go to Johnson & Wales, they're both excellent schools.
Yeah.
So he wins, but it's up to the students to foot their own bill going to, and it's what, you'll be gone, what, a week, 10 days?
About a week, yeah.
Staying in hotels, food,
Yeah.
travel expenses. So we say, you know what, we're going to do a fundraiser for Brendan. We're doing June 5th, we're doing a pizza party, soft drinks, charging $25 tickets. If anybody out there feels in their heart they want to donate something, you can send it to Daddy Jack's, 181 Bank Street, New London, Connecticut, and make the check out to Brent. Give me your name and how you spell it.
Brendan DeCora, BRENDANDECORA, capital D, capital C.
Yeah. So, God bless, youngster.